In primetime news this evening, multiple hospitals now feeling the pressure as COVID-19 patients flood the facilities. Jamaicans told to upgrade the mask they use in order to get more protection from the coronavirus. And medical facilities in the western end of the island feeling the strain as gangsters run riot.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the school rankings revealed by Professor Orlando Patterson's Jamaica Education Transformation Commission? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.